Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Oh, welcome, everybody. Welcome to our channel, your channel, Trucking with Mr. Coach. My name is Danny Cordero. Today's video, I'm going to show you a little bit of my routine. Of what I do in the morning, shower wise, and where do I take a shower, how does it look, and things like that. So let's get started. What I try to do in the morning, everybody, so a lot of people ask me this question: why are you so energetic in the morning? The thing I do when I wake up in the morning is first of all, I get up right away. I try not to hit the snooze button. I would say about 99% of the time I don't hit the snooze button. I just get up. I'm happy to be up. I'm happy to be alive one more day. And second thing, when I get up is, because I already had all my stuff organized. My bed, I do my bed early in the morning. I don't do it right away because I sleep. I'm gonna show you. It's like a sleeping bag. So I like to leave it open so I could breathe a little bit. And by the time I come back from taking a shower, it's done. It's air out. Okay. Second thing I do is I go into my best friend. I call him my best friend now, YouTube. And I go to motivational I'm sorry for not being energetic yet. Motivational videos, or speakers. This is my sleeping hat. Yes, for those of you who make fun of bald people. My head, my body, I'm a pretty warm person. I like to sleep in cold temperature, but if I don't cover my head at night, I get really cold and I get sinuses. That's why, if you notice, I breathe through my mouth, which is not a good thing. All right, so hopefully you're able to listen to, what I've been saying. But this is what my 2019 Volvo looked like. That's my bag with the dirty clothes. I'm almost done because I'm going home. So pardon me with that. Okay. I know it's bright, so we're gonna turn this off. And we're gonna get going. Let me. Alright, as you can see, people, on this video, the the process of taking a shower, or you know, or showering every day, it's a pretty simple one. Things that you have to make sure you um, remember to bring along with you. It's your personal towel, and definitely sandals. You do not want to be showering barefoot in these showers, because you don't know who's coming in and out of them and stuff that they're doing in there. But anyway, but the showers pretty much they're pretty clean. They're pretty clean. But again, as human beings taking showers in there, and we don't know. Again, we don't know what could be done there. What could be done there. Um, um, Once you have your application, and pretty much all the fuel stops work the same way. Once you have the application for those fuel stops, you could even reserve your showers from the truck. You can reserve the showers from the truck. There's no, you don't need to go in there and stay in line and things like that. Okay, so we're not gonna make this video any longer than what it needs to be. Before anything, I want to thank and give a shout out to the two crazy Florida truckers. It was a pleasure meeting you, and I look forward to for my wife to meet you guys in the future, and could hopefully develop a friendship, just as Floridians, as truckers, and all that good stuff. Okay, thank you for going out of your way and reaching out to my wife. I appreciate that, and look forward to collabing with you guys. Okay, for everybody else, um, like I always say, um, it takes no skills to hustle. Sky is the limit. Oh yeah.